Today we're going to find money-making sports cards. Before we begin, we have a free community we're hoping to fill up with founding members, but I'll talk more about that at the end, so stick around. Remember that none of this is financial advice and always come to your own conclusions. Let's start. The key is to find raw cards to grade and sell at a premium. The card we're gonna look at is 2021 Trevor Lawrence Chronicles Prism Black Rookie. Let's check the PSA 10 population. It has a population of less than half of the standard Prism Rookie, which is a good sign. Now let's find the floor price. Filter out irrelevant listings. Set it to buy it now, lowest to highest. $150 is the floor. Now let's look at recent sales. Now let's find grade-worthy cards. "2021 Chronicles Prism Black" has lots of centering issues. This one, along with most others, has bad left-to-right centering. This one looks better, but likely not good enough for a 10 grade. This one looks slightly off-centered with print lines. This one looks great, but has potential surface issues and a corner I would ask the seller about. This is the best looking one so far. We have a 100% free community with money-making courses and giveaways that we are hoping to fill up with founding members. Secure your spot now for a limited time at skool.com/sportscards.